Unlock a more intuitive way to gather client choices with Webflow's multi-radio drop-down forms. Let's dive in first. Drag a form block onto your Webflow canvas. This will be the foundation for our custom input. Inside your form block, add a div block. We'll use this to structure our drop-down. Now, inside this div block, add an icon element. This will serve as our drop-down toggle, like a chevron pointing down. Next, add a text block right beside the icon. This will display the selected option or a prompt like choose an option. Crucially, add another div block directly below your first one. This will house our radio button options. Importantly, hide this second div block, initially using the display settings. Now, let's add the interactivity. Select the first div block, the one containing your icon and text. Go to the Interactions panel and add a mouse click trigger. For the click interaction, we'll set it to toggle the display of that second hidden div block. This will make our dropdown appear and disappear on click. Inside the hidden div block, add a radio button input element. This is where your choices will live. You can then style this radio button as needed. For each option, add a text block next to your radio button input label. These clearly with your desired choices. Ensure these text blocks are linked to their corresponding radio button inputs in the element settings. To ensure the dropdown closes when clicking outside, select the first div block again and add another mouse click interaction. This time, set it to hide the second div block. We'll use the checked state of the radio buttons to update the text in our initial toggle. Select the text block that serves as your drop-down label. Add a new interaction, this time triggered by the radio button checked event. This interaction will dynamically update the text of your initial label to show the currently selected radio button. Repeat this for each of your radio button options. And there you have it, a stylish and functional multi-radio drop-down form, enhancing your Webflow UX and data collection.